These viral AI Rubik's Cube object-making videos are attracting huge numbers of views across social media. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create this fascinating type of AI video using ChatGPT and Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Get the prompt first, copy the prompt document I've provided in the description, then open ChatGPT and paste it into the chat box. Press Enter, and ChatGPT will generate several creative ideas for you. If none of the suggestions catch your attention, simply ask ChatGPT to come up with more options. Once you find an idea you like, send it back to ChatGPT, and it will automatically generate the text-to-video prompt you need. Great! Now our prompt is ready, so let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Download Edimakor. For the next steps, we'll be using Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Step 3. Generate the video. Now open Edimakor and click New Project. Go to AI Video, Text to Video. Edimakor integrates a wide range of advanced AI video generation models, including the recently released Minimax H3. For this tutorial, I'll be using Minimax H3 to create the video. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the text-to-video prompt you just generated. Go back to Edimakor and paste it into the prompt box. Adjust the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio, then click Generate. After a short wait, your AI Rubik's Cube object-making video will be ready. Step 4. Share your creation. If you upload your generated video to YouTube and include the Edimakor Back to School tag, you may receive additional bonus credits from Edimakor. And that's the complete workflow for creating viral-style AI Rubik's Cube object-making videos. Download Edimakor today and start experimenting with your own creative ideas.